to make and create book cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for book cover. Click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now choose any template you want from here. You have many options, for example this one, and you can change the text right here. As you can see, it looks so professional. And after you finish, go to the top and click download. You have many options here. Choose any template. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.